Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to restart or redo any lesson within a course on the SoloLearn application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the SoloLearn app on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the homepage from which you can log in if you haven't done so already into your account. After logging in using your credentials, you will be taken into the Learn page, from which you can start learning various different lessons right away. In order to change your course, click on your currently selected course at the top section, and you may choose from various different courses that you have added. After selecting your course, you will see your progress and the lessons that are available, as well as the ones that you have completed. If you have completed any lesson, then you will see a tick mark at the right side of this lesson. Now, if you wish to restart or redo this lesson once again, you can simply click on it and this will open up this lesson once again. You can click on the continue button to start doing this lesson one more time, and there you have it. That is how easy it is to restart or redo any lesson within a course on the SoloLearn application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.